If you're in the mood for something chill, creamy and absolutely indulgent, you're in the right place. Today we're making 4 super easy cafe-style milkshakes using biscuits and brownies you probably already have at home. So grab your blender and let's get shaking. Let's kick things off with a classic chocolatey favorite, the Bourbon Milkshake. To a blender add bourbon biscuits, chilled milk, a few ice cubes and a little cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. Now blend everything until smooth and creamy. Once done, pour it into a serving glass. Garnish with chopped or broken chocolate pieces on top for that extra bite. This one is rich, nostalgic and perfect for chocolate lovers. Next up, a childhood favorite with a butterscotch twist. The Glucose Biscuit Milkshake. Start by adding ice cubes to a blender. Pour in 1.5 cups of chilled milk. Add butterscotch syrup and a generous handful of glucose biscuits. Now blend it well until everything comes together into a thick, creamy shake. Pour it into a glass and finish by sprinkling some crushed glucose biscuits and butterscotch on top. Simple, comforting and very satisfying. Now moving on to an all-time crowd pleaser, the Oreo Milkshake. In a mixing jar, add ice cubes, milk, a pinch of cocoa powder to enhance the flavor and Oreo biscuits. Pulse until the biscuits blend smoothly into the milk. Pour the milkshake into a glass and garnish with Oreo biscuits on top. Creamy, chocolatey and always a hit. And now let's go all out with a Chocolate Brownie Freak Shake. Start by melting 1 cup of dark chocolate in the microwave for about a minute. To decorate the jar, dip the rim of a mason jar into the melted chocolate. Now immediately coat it with colorful chocolate-coated Rice Crisp so they stick nicely. Once done, place the jar in the fridge to set. Now for the milkshake, pour 2 cups of chilled milk into a blender. Add some chocolate sauce. Crumble in a piece of brownie. Now add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Blend everything together until thick and luscious. To assemble, pour the milkshake into the decorated jar. Place a piece of brownie on top. Add whipped cream generously. Now decorate with chocolate rolls, Kit Kats, colorful gems and rice sprinkles. And voila! Your ultimate freak shake is ready. And there you have it, 4 insanely delicious milkshakes that are easy to make and impossible to resist. Now tell us in the comments which one you're trying first. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.